Did you know there are several different ways to cook oxtail? Yes, but in this video, I will share with you step-by-step instruction and information how to cook oxtail the easiest way. Yes, quick and easy. Okay, so we are cooking 2 pounds of oxtail today. We are using scallion, onion, thyme, scotch bonnet pepper, all-purpose seasoning from Jamaica, perfect seasoning, garlic powder, pimento seed from Jamaica. So cooking oxtail is very easy, but it all depends on the approach and what you use to cook it. This is my pot over here. I will be cooking my oxtail in. So this is a pressure pot. You can cook it without pressure it. You cook faster when you pressure it. You can just cook it, but you have to have patience to cook the oxtail because you don't know how tough or how soft is it. So you gotta take some time. So I gotta cut up my seasoning to marinate my oxtail. So today, you know, I am cooking from Boston, Massachusetts. So, scallions. I cut my scallions at very fine, reasonable size. Onion, whatever shape or style, the flavor will be the same. So, this pepper, I'm not cutting the pepper, I'm gonna just add it. I'm not gonna cut the thyme, you just put it as soon as you take the flavor, extract it. So, this is my oxtail. So I'm gonna add my chopped seasoning. Alright. Let me stay in the camera. Focus on what I'm put in it. Alright. It's not bad. Alright. So for my all-purpose seasoning from Jamaica, I gotta use 1 teaspoon. I'm just cooking 2 pounds of oxtail. This is garlic powder. I'm using 1 teaspoon as well. This is perfect seasoning. You gotta use 1 teaspoon as well. This is pimento seed. So you can crush it or what, I'm using 1 teaspoon as well. Alright, I gotta rub this in. Alright, rub it in. So if you notice, I don't add any salt. Some of these seasoning have salt in it, so you don't add any salt. You cook and taste as you go along. So if when you come to a final cook and the salt level is okay, you don't need any salt. If you're a person who use salt and want more, you add it, so it's optional. So that's it, marinating my oxtail. That is that easy. Alright, so put the oxtail aside for the marinating process. Take it first. So this is our pot, this is my stove. So I'm gonna light the stove, pot to hot. Alright. Okay, so pay attention here. So this is my vegetable oil, then the eyes of the chives. I'm just putting a little oil, just a little, to cover the base or the bottom of the pot. So we are using this for the tenderizing process. Okay, as you can see, the oil is hot. So this is to do the tenderizing process. I'm adding my pieces of oxtail. Alright, some people may cook the oxtail and do not use any oil. It will give you a different flavor. So what I'm doing here is tenderizing the meat and use the hot oil to give me high flavor. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm not frying the oxtail. I'm just tenderizing it. Okay, so after we do the tenderizing process, and we add water to the oxtail to do the cooking process. So we add enough water to just cover over the meat. As I say, we don't know how long it will take to cook this meat, because sometimes the oxtail is easy to cook and sometimes it is tough. It takes a longer time to cook. So this was come to a cook now, not 100%, about 80%. Just saying. So this is very important to make a note of. You got to re-season the pot. So most of what we add in the pot before, we got to re-add them, because of the cooking, it go low and taste with the sauce. So we got to use some more perfect seasoning, garlic powder, and all-purpose seasoning from Jamaica. Over here, we got to add scallion again, because by cooking, it loses most of its high flavor. So you re-season it now to do the finishing. This is very important. So most people might cook the meat or the oxtail. I gotta add carrots to it. This is optional. Make it look colorful. And if the carrot is too sweet, you kind of make it have a little sweet taste. Optional, but I will add in carrots. So we are re-seasoning and presenting at the same time. So this is optional. If when it cooks you feel like you don't want any more flavor, that's it. So we gotta add this to this pot. So we gotta finish within the re-seasoning. So this is my all-purpose from Jamaica, less than a teaspoon. This is real perfect seasoning, about 3/4 spoon as well. This is garlic powder, 3/4 spoon as well. So you gotta make this simmer. So this is the final cook. So oxtail, cooking the Jamaican way. Jamaican cooking journey, oxtail. And you know we're cooking from Boston, Massachusetts today. Alright, so if you want oxtail to darker than this, then you would use a browning. I normally use browning, but I don't have any browning, so I just cook it what I have. Not too bad, it's not white. So leave to simmer for about 15 minutes. You can use low heat now, it has to be higher heat. So just leave it to simmer. There you have it. Oxtail the Jamaican way. If you think this video was educational or interesting, please leave a like, leave a comment, share, subscribe, press the notification bell to see more videos like this. So I will leave this to simmer about 15 minutes, show you the finished product when I'm done. And that is how easy it is to cook oxtail. No stress, no fuss. You understand me? Just follow the steps. Cook and eat and enjoy with family. Show you the finished product in a while. My oxtail is come to a final cook. So this is my oxtail finish. Oxtail the Jamaican way. You can cook it whatever way you want. So this is the final product. Yeah. And I get all these different from them, all-purpose seasoning and the pimento I carry from Jamaica. Everything else was purchased in United States of America. So you can cook your oxtail the Jamaican way in United States of America. I'm cooking from Boston, Massachusetts. Tell me what you think. Is this looking delicious? What do you think about the flavor? Smelling good. I taste it. It tastes good. Delicious. Yummy. Until then, see you in my next video. Peace. I'm out. Cook your oxtail. Share it, family and friend, and enjoy.